Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard. So it can be, for example, in messages, in the browser, in notes, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And here we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings in this panel, no worries. Just tap on the three dots icon, tap on OK, and the settings will appear somewhere here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this first position. So let's enter the settings. Tap on the languages, and as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full wide list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. And basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to use. And I will pick something like maybe Urdu. So it will be somewhere here. I just want to pick the language which will be graphical, because in order to show you the actual difference. So just tap on the language you'd like to use, and sometimes you will be also able to pick the region. So the same situation, just tap on it. And as you can see here, in my case, I've got 3 different keyboards from which I can choose. Sometimes, depending on the language, you will have only 1 keyboard, or you will have like 5 or 6 different keyboards available. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will use the second option, so just mark it and let me untick this first one. So if you're ready, tap on Done. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been applied, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. It plays a role of the language key. So currently I'm writing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one, as you can see. Now let me tap on it again, and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, tap on the languages again, and here from this tab we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so let's go back. And here we've got, as you can see, the spacebar is empty, and we cannot find the language key, which simply means that we cannot change the language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.